We're on the record in cause number 326054, the state of Texas versus Frank Henry Steele. Is that your full name?
It is.
Okay, how are you doing, Mr. Steele?
Doing well.
That's good. Mr. Steele, your case is on the course announcement docket, and you're here represented by your attorney, Mr. Bruce Smith. Mr. Smith, do you have an announcement for the court in Mr. Steele's case?
Yes, Your Honor. We are announcing the trial.
Trial? Okay, just hold on. The court coordinator will give you a trial date.
March 1st.
Okay, March 1st? You said his trial date is March 1st of 2021?
Yes, sir. That's the new dates that I have.
Okay, March 1st.
Your Honor,
Please let them know that. Go ahead, Ashley.
I know this is Ms. Musgrave's case, but that gives us less than a week and a half to send out notice on a brand new trial announcement.
Okay,
Aren't we starting on the 3rd though?
no, they've reset those dates. Give us something in, what we have in the next month. Give us,
What, following March, like in April?
yes.
April 12th, May 3rd, May 24th.
Okay, reset it for April 12th.
Would you ask Mr. Smith to docket his calendar?
Yes, April 12th is fine.
April 12th, that's fine. Okay, we have that, okay. Mr. Steele, your case has been reset for trial April 12th of 2021. All right?
This courtroom?
Yes. All right,
Thank you.
yeah, all right. You free to go? Yeah, he's excused. You free to go? And we're gonna call up your next client, Miss Chelsea Hooker. Mr. Smith? You need Mr. Smith?
I just need to sign something.
Mr. Smith?
Mr. Smith. You just sign your name right here. Where, right here where it says defense attorney, you just sign your name with it.
I'm sorry.
No worries.
Okay, we on the record in cause number 326708, the state of Texas versus Chelsea Alicia Hooker. Ms. Hooker, was that your full name?
Alicia.
Alicia, okay, Chelsea Alicia Hooker. How are you doing, Ms. Hooker?
Okay.
Okay, that's fine. Now, Ms. Hooker, you're here represented by your attorney, Mr. Bruce Smith. Mr. Smith, you have an announcement in Ms. Hooker's case?
Yes, sure. She's been accepted for pretrial diversion.
Okay.
We're
Okay,
just waiting for a date to sign the document.
okay, yeah, do y'all have a date? Are y'all scheduled to sign on a particular date?
We have not received a date. We requested it, but I haven't received
Because I
it.
think the next date is like the first week in April. So it'll probably be the second, we're gonna reset this till the second week of April.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just hold on a minute, we're gonna get you that date.
4/16.
Okay, so that'll be April 16th, 2021. Okay. If that's your only case, last case, Mr. Smith, you and your client or excuse?
You're free to go.
Yeah, you're free to go, and I think, you have a case on the,
File fee.
on the, motion to revoke probation docket.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Kyle Seeley. Mr. Bailey, could you please call the name?
He is here.
Yes, I have noted.
And Judge, when you get a chance, Mr. LeBlanc's trying to get your attention as well.
Okay. Okay, we're on a record in two cases. The first case is cause number 318042, and the second case is 319682. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Kyle Anthony Seeley. Is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Seeley?
Doing good.
That's good. Mr. Seeley, I have two motions to revoke your probation. And Ms. Seeley, you are here represented by your attorney, Mr. Bruce Smith, in both cases. Mr. Smith, you have an announcement?
Your Honor, the court's file will reflect that on March the 13th of 20, my client entered a plea of true to the allegations contained in the motions to revoke. At
Yes.
that time, based on recommendations from the probation office and also the MHMR counselor who was present in the courtroom, the court held this case in abeyance.
Yes.
And he was to come here today, I think, for the court to review how he is performing. The lady from, this young lady from MHMR was also supposed to be here to tell the court how he's doing on that. And that's why we're here this morning. That's my understanding.
Okay, now, Mr. Smith, pursuant to Article 1.24 of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure, all proceedings and trials in court shall be public. However, pursuant to Lilly versus State, 365 Southwest 3rd, 321, the right to a public trial is not absolute and may be outweighed by other competing rights or interests, such as interest in security or preventing discovery or disclosure of non-public information or ensuring the defendant receives a fair trial. The court, if you feel that there will be disclosure of non-public information in this particular hearing, and if you desire to prevent that disclosure, this hearing can be closed to the public.
Yeah, due to the fact that this does involve MHMR, we are requesting that.
Okay, so the court finds that the party seeking to close the hearing have advanced an overriding interest that is likely to be prejudiced to his client, and the closure is no broader than necessary to protect his client. And the court has considered reasonable alternatives to closing the proceedings. And the court has made these findings, and the court believes that these findings are adequate pursuant to Lilly versus State, 365 Southwest 3rd, 321, to close this hearing to the public. And State, do you have any objections?
No objection, Your Honor.
No objections. This hearing shall be closed to the public.